Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kamukam College Shillong kakot admission haki degree but diploma course banong chef hotelier but kiway bandep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Sorkar Jilla kala pelat ya ka guidebook na ka bentai Nonghikai hikai Naduh CLASS-1 Haduh CLASS-10 da ka jingtmu ban penjana ya ka Pyllait ka puthi jongki hna school. Ya kani la pentep do Commissioner and Secretary Bakhmi ya ka tanat Pyllait puthi u Vijay Kumar Mantri ha ka arpanyau tere Kuala Lengkot arja usan ula ongru pa kani ka guidebook kan longru shi benta na ka CM impact bala penmi da ka Sorkar ban yarap iki hna school ki ba pen krea ya ki examen.
Impact actually making the passing easy. It's just a pass, but it's not the teaching. The before 10 years, we are working on this class 1 to class 10. The guidebook that is released is only for class 10, but now we are releasing guidebooks for the teachers, for all the teachers from class 1 to class 10. So recently we have conducted one month program. It's called Meghalaya Class Readiness Program. That is also part of CM Impact. What happens when you start the class and the new academic session starts and you have 30-40 students are in front of you? All the students are not in the same capability, same competency they have. Some students are poor. Let's say if you take class 10, and some students are not able to grasp. They don't know how to write. They're not able to comprehend what is being taught there. That student will lag behind throughout the year. He's always in the back, and then ultimately will fail. So that's why we have started this CM Impact Meghalaya Class Readiness Program. In this 1 month, we are dedicating for this purpose, to bridge the gap between class 9 and 10, to bring all the students onto one level, at least the basic level, so that they understand what teacher is teaching. Before you go to class lesson number 1, before I teach the lesson number 1, I'll teach the basics to them. So that's one aspect that we have done recently. That will definitely show the results in the next year. Of course, secondly, we are also coming up with a learning enhancement program. Meghalaya Learning Enhancement Program, that is also under CM Impact. This is to help the teachers. So this will help the teachers to improve their teaching methodology. So we will tell them what kind of games he can conduct to teach them in a better way, what kind of examples he should give. The number 1 is the change in question paper pattern. We have aligned the question paper pattern in line with CBSE and ICSE. If you see their question papers, they have about 25 to 35 multiple choice questions. And then the way they structure the questions also, it's in a very simple format. Our question paper was a little long, and then our question paper, the booklet, it used to contain 19 pages. Some subjects it used to contain even 19 pages, some 20 pages. So we have done that. We have simplified it, and we have brought it in line with CBSE and ICSE pattern. So that's the number 1 that has helped the results. If you see the results of CBSE, ICSE, they are 97, 98 every time. Every state is getting minimum 97, 98. So now we have reached 96. So that is number 1 reason. Number 2 is basically the CM Impact Guidebook. Why? Because this in the rural area especially, they don't have notes. Most of them don't have textbooks also, and they don't have notes. So notes are very essential for preparation. So when you prepare, you need to have notes just before the exam. Just go through the notes and then see what to write. So these, in absence of these notes, and CM Impact Guidebook is a boon for them because it is in the format of question and answers. The CM Impact Guidebook, it is designed in such a way that all the topics of a subject are covered. In a lesson, if you take a lesson, the lesson is converted into question answers. So that's how I think it has helped them. Literacy rate is something that is measured. Literacy rate meaning definition it's a very complicated, not as simple as education or pass percentage. Pass percentage is such a simple definition. Literacy rate is basically somebody is literate. Somebody is able to read, somebody able to write which language, somebody able to comprehend what is written. So this is something about literacy rate, and this definition is given by Government of India and measured by Government of India. So education department is not actually measuring this literacy rate, but it's actually a very good Our literacy rate has been very good, Meghalaya, of course, and then I think now it has touched 94. See, now, literacy rate, it doesn't talk about which age group. So they have a particular age group that they measure. So we have a lot of lot of adults who are outside the school. So in SSA, Samagra Shiksha, we have interventions. We take care of the out of the school students also, and there we have a lot of programs where we are trying to intervene in this subject, and we are seeing some results in this. So in quality of education, we are doing a lot. Quality of education, we are doing, like for example, CM impact. Anyway, CM impact is, it's only people question that CM impact is only for class 10 results, but they are not. We are not looking at the root cause of it. The root cause is basically, of course, we all agree that quality of education is very important, that we need to improve. So when you talk about quality of education, there are many various factors are involved. One is the teacher education, the teacher training of the teachers, qualification of the teachers, and the facilities that are in the school, attendance of the students, and also the quality of teaching is something that's very important. So with regard to quality of teaching, what we are doing is that we are creating guidebooks. We are doing guidebooks, handbooks for the teachers. So if you have a textbook, the textbook doesn't actually tell how you teach the student. So there is a separate guidebook we are creating, where the teacher is able to understand, read the guidebook, and then he will understand how to teach the students. The pedagogy, basically, we are targeting the pedagogy, where what are the examples that he should quote, what are the games or plays that he can incorporate in the teaching methodology, how we should teach, what are the examples, how to simplify the subject and then teach the students. Now, these are the things that we are putting in the guidebook, where the teacher will be able to read this guidebook and teach in a better way.